Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can assign ringtone to contact on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra. So first of all, you have to just open the phone dialer. I'm gonna actually skip this one, and we have to go for the contacts on the right side, then click on the contact and tap on the more. Select change ringtone and the vibration, and here we have to select the ringtone, accept the permissions, and as you can see, first of all, we can change the ringtone volume, and we can pick the default ringtones. But we can also click on the plus in the right upper corner and set the custom ringtone, and then click done. Next we can just go back, and as you can see, our ringtone has changed. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.